I'm making a surprise for my girlfriend. Time to crochet an opossum. Getting started with the nose. This is so big already. Finally, a use for these little stuffed animal eyes that I had lying around. Ta-da! I actually think I'm gonna need some more yarn to finish this. Possum hat. Time to make it into feet. So I'm shredding some scrap fabric and I'm stuffing it inside. Okay, I have a concussion, but it's time to do the tail. He is so big. Time to attach these bucket-sized feet. Ta-da! Foot attached and finishing the tail. Now it is time to give him to my girlfriend. And before anyone asks, he is the Patty the Opossum pattern, which you can find on Etsy. And I used Bernat super chunky wool and a 19mm crochet hook. And he was inspired by Crisco by Cosmic Commander. Crisco. Lenny and his moms. Bye!